To make sarciado, as I mentioned earlier, we're gonna need some leftover fried fish, which I clearly don't have. I have here some hasa-hasa, also known as short mackerel. Now we're gonna fry this until it's tostado or when it's nice and crispy already. We have to make sure that it's firm because when we cook it with eggs and the tomatoes later, it's gonna absorb the liquid from all that, and if the fish is not firm enough, it's gonna break and fall apart. Just get the pan heating with some oil and gently drop the fish away from you to avoid any splatter. Cook this in medium heat until the fish is nice and crispy. While we're waiting, we can prepare the vegetables for that egg soup sauce topping thing I talked to you about earlier. So we're just gonna slice some onions, just julienne them, slice some tomatoes into quarters, and if they're bigger pieces, maybe into 6 pieces. Then after, just slice some garlic. Now we're gonna beat 3 eggs here and just whisk them until the eggs are completely mixed. Back to the fish. Just flip them once and make sure the fish is crispy and firm. Transfer this to a plate and finish cooking the rest of the fish. Once all the fish have been fried, we can start on the sauce. Let's heat up a pan and cook the eggs first. Just whisk them together until we develop curds. Now for the vegetables, just saute them until they're soft. Add the eggs and mix them and make sure to break the eggs while stirring. I've seen recipes where they add the egg in with the vegetables and they create the curds there. I personally prefer this method because I like the texture of the egg when it's a little bit firmer, rather than being all soupy. Add about 1/2 cup of water here and mix it up. I added some fish sauce here, about 2 teaspoons. After that, I placed the fish on top and then I covered it. Cook this covered for about 5 minutes. Now, my sarciado got a little dry here, so I added a 1/2 cup of water and just let it boil. Taste for any additional seasoning and your sarciado is done.